you guys are new to mi canal. So I know you guys are like, where are you? Like the background is so different. I'm in Mexico, estoy en México, ahorita estoy en mi pueblo. Si escuchan el camioncito, I'm so sorry, but ahorita estoy en Mexico. I know it was a surprise for me too, but I am in Mexico right now. I am in Jalisco. I am so happy to be back. I didn't really say nothing about me coming because one, it was unexpected. Two, I didn't even know I was gonna come. I wasn't sure because it was so last minute, and I'm obviously in school, so all my classes are online. So that wasn't like really a problem, but I was still like unsure. So all of a sudden I was like, well, let me go. So me and my whole family are here. You guys are like, why are you there? Um, I posted on my Instagram that I had to cancel all my appointments, which I am so sorry to all the girls that have booked me and were booking me. ¿Qué? I voy! That were booking me and everything. Like, I am so sorry, but I just really need time. Like, I'm fine. Me and my family are okay. As you guys know, like, we had corona, and like we need time to heal ourselves, because after corona, like, we were not left okay, like physically. Like, we get tired easily and we get so weak and we get dizzy. So it's like those things where we just wanted to just get away from the US for a bit and just come see our family, come see my grandma, come see my brother's baby, come see all of my family, which I am so happy, because there's been a lot going on with me and my family, my whole family, y creo que Dios nos hizo este viaje posible. Fueron tantas cosas que nos pasaron en este viaje que tengo que hacer un video separado qué fue lo que nos pasó, because that thing was just so scary. And cada vez que viajamos, yo y mi familia, siempre algo pasa, pero no sé si haré videos todos los días, pero voy a grabar que otro acá, porque sí quiero estar con mi familia. So a ver qué me sale de este video, and stay tuned. We need to have masks on just because of safety purposes, but we're gonna go grab like a little ice cream, or I don't know. We're waiting on my cuñada right now, but
She's in the bank.
Say bye.
Are you gonna keep on vlogging?
Yes, go later.
Bye.
Bye. So I had to take my mask off, but it's the next day. Excuse the music. Right now we're in a store because me and my whole family are going to this place called La Barranca, which is a place that they usually come to here. It's sort of like a lake, as my nephew says, but we're gonna go and see what's up there and see what happens, because we're still being very cautious of what can happen. We don't know what can occur, but
and the lady keeps on looking at us.
if you guys are from Mexico, you guys have to try these. These are my favorite ever. I'm gonna get a small one, but these two don't have. Huh? Sidral. Those are bomb too. This is my favorite drink from Mexico. I don't think they have this in the US, just by any chance. I don't think they have this in the US. That's why every time I come, I try to stock up. But I'm gonna keep you updated. Okay, so ahorita we just got back from Tizapan. We're not right now, but we already ate breakfast. I ate tacos de adobada, tacos de frijoles, bomb as fuck. Ahorita we're fixing everything to go. Me, my cuñada, and my sister just ordered drinks because we're trying to get a little bit lit. We're trying to have a good time. Vamos a ir a La Barranca. If it's at the place where they're talking about it is, I've been there before. But if it's not, then I don't know. But it's basically like a little waterfall or like a river where people can get in. That's how I remember it because I went there like a couple years ago. But it's probably different now. So it's gonna be me and my whole family. When I say my whole family, like my aunties, my uncles, my cousins. We have a really big family, so I don't know if everybody's gonna fit. But we'll see how everything is. I am trying to vlog as much as I can for you guys because obviously y'all wanted vlogs and y'all really didn't know that I was coming. But I really want to vlog for you guys, but sometimes I really don't do nothing because this vacation is more like a chill, calm down type of vacation, you can say. So other than that, things that I do like this, I'm going to try to vlog. I'm going to.
¿Me habló?
Bueno. Sí. Ah, mija, mira, aquí está.
Dile que aquí estamos en la
Sí,
tienda.
aquí estamos en la tienda de María. Aquí la. Vénganse aquí estamos en la tienda de María.
Roberto, ¿te bajas a la tienda con tu coberto? ¿Sí te bajas a la tienda con tu coberto? ¿Se va a bajar a la tienda?
Oh, ándale pues.
¿Se compró una coquita? ¿Sí?
Bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal. So, today is Monday. Somebody's coming upstairs. I assure you it's one of my nephews. So, today is Monday. We're about to go to Saguayo, which is like a 40-minute drive. I don't know how like long or short these videos are gonna be because, as I mentioned, like I'm really trying to be with my family. So, we don't really do nothing compared to other times just because we're trying to be safe. So today we're gonna go to Saguayo. I don't know what we're going for, but later on I have to take pictures for Instagram. So if like it doesn't rain, because it looks like it's gonna rain, most likely I will.
Betito, Betito, di hola. Say hi. Ahí voy.
I am going outside to eat breakfast. ¿Tacos de qué? ¿La adobada? Okay, so I'm gonna go eat breakfast and I'll oh, this is my biggest
I'm sitting there.
this is my biggest nephew, you guys. He's almost as tall as me. But better go eat and I'll catch up with you guys.
Hola. No, tía, gracias. Hola.
¿Ya con esas, ¿eh?
So we just made it to Saguayo. I'm gonna try my best to vlog everything. We need to have our mask on. So, yeah, let's see what we do. We're fine. We just came to look around. My other nephew's at the doctor. Since we've been back home. Okay. We got home and I was just doing homework. That's why my hair is a mess. But I don't know what we're doing later on, so we'll see.
Ahí están unos. Ahí en el refrigerador.
Porque no habías dicho cuánto me daba aguacate.
Sí, pues. Sí, dijo. Sí. Gracias por lo que quieras. ¿Cómo no?